I promote this cream from made in Thailand. This one good for the skin day and night. This cream is very nice. One use for 1 month, then your skin is uh, like a skin young, like a skin baby skin. I try. Did you see the skin? Wow. If you like to order, you can contact me in my WhatsApp. This one I'm using my cream from Thailand. I promote this cream. Did you see this cream? It's very nice. The morning and night, 2 times a day. Mm, kung sino pong gusto na mag-order, if you like to order this, click my profile. Under my profile, I have WhatsApp number. If you like to order this one, good for the skin. Did you see my skin? Wow, it's very nice. Uh, this one, all your body you can put. Oh, it's very nice. Looking young, the skin. If you like to order, you can contact me in my WhatsApp. Click my profile. Under my profile, I have WhatsApp number. I have two cream. If your color morena color, you can use this one. If your skin white, you can use this one. This one for 200 real, and this one 250 real. This one 24 hours this cream. If you travel, you can use this one. It's very nice. This one. This order this one. If you like to order, you can contact me by WhatsApp. Please click under my profile. Under my profile, I have WhatsApp number. It's very nice, right? True cream. Did you see my skin? If you like the color of my hair, you can contact also. I have hair color. If you like, it's very nice color. You can contact me by WhatsApp. This true cream. I promote this cream made in Thailand. From Thailand. Made in Thailand. foundation. This one for your skin white like me. If your skin morena, you can use this one. Okay, everyone. Okay. Thank you for watching. Bye.